Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I hope that all of you are fine and studying at home and giving a proper time to your studies. Yesterday, we were going through the chapter which is basically your chapter number 10, and you know that you are going to have the coming monthly test from this chapter. Okay, so basically what we were doing, we were going through the text because implementation we have already done. That's why basically we are going through the text, hence we can see that how different questions can be asked from a topic. So we had done up to the point where we discussed about the rollover image and image placeholder. Up to here, if you have got any question, anything that you would like to ask, you can ask me right now. All the things I hope are clear. These dialog boxes are very important because the questions will be asked from these dialog boxes. Okay, so we need to know that what kind of options are there available in these options when we apply these things. Okay, okay, now come towards the image maps. Image map, you know that image map is basically the image which is divided into some portions which are called hotspots. Hotspots are basically hyperlinked, further hyperlinked, and you know that these hotspots are basically going to be linked with some different pages. So you may be asked for the definition in short question, or you may be asked about the MCQs as well, regarding MCQs as well. So when we apply the hotspot, we set each and every portion with a different hyperlink. Okay, this is the case that we need to understand. And we had taken one example of a picture, just like this is a picture where some portions are there. And this in this picture, basically some portions are there and we can link each portion with some different websites. That page may be our own web page available in our web page, but it can also be a link outside from our website, any other hyperlink over the internet. So we can do this thing. We can draw the portion hotspot in circular format, circle, rectangle, polygon. And these all are the options using which we can draw the hotspot. Hotspot can be drawn in circle, rectangle, polygon. If I ask you, for example, can we draw the hotspot using freehand? So no, this option is not available. This thing you should understand. Okay. Now come to the next point. These are the steps that we need to follow when we are applying. So drag the point to file icon to the required file in the files panel. Select one of the following for target. Blank, parent, self, top. These are the options available over here. Blank, parent, self, top. Okay. In the alt text, Tab, type the alternative text that will display in text-only browsers. Alt text means when the image is not available, so alternate text will appear to show the user in his browser that here is some image which is not supported by your web browser. Repeats step Repeat steps 3 to 7 to define additional hotspots in the image map. Okay. Shows the image map that three hotspots, rectangular, circular, and polygonal. These are the hotspots which are available over here. Okay, so these are the options that we can apply. Then we had done some practice work as well regarding this chapter. I hope all these things are clear that how we are going to apply this, and we had done the lab activities as well. Now, you may be asked about the frames and the frame sets because these are also there in this chapter. So first of all, the definition. A web page can be divided into different regions called frames. We had implemented the frames as well, each of which can display an HTML document independently. A frame set is an HTML file that defines the layout and properties of a set of frames, including the number of frames, the size and placement of each, and the URL of each page that appears in each frame. The frame set file itself does not contain any HTML content that will be visible in a browser. To view a set of frames in a web browser, enter the URL of the frame set file. So what you need to do, you mention the URL over here in the frame set that you want to link in that particular frame. Okay. What are the different options available over here when we are creating a frame set? These are the options. Fixed bottom, nested left, fixed bottom, nested right, fixed left, nested bottom, fixed left, nested top, fixed right, nested top. These all are the options. So you must know that these options and what their differences, because there are some differences in their regions which are applied. Okay, so we must know these all things. When we insert the frame set inside, there are frames in which there are different files opened. You know that each frame contains a different web link. It will be your own file from your local disk, or it will be if you are using from the internet. So of course you will be linking to an other file. I hope that these all things are clear. Saving a frame set and frames will be set in a file, and frame set will contain the files which will be linked to those frames. Means frame set is an outer body in which frames are there. So this is the thing that we need to understand, which may be asked in your MCQs. Selecting frame sets and frames, what is the procedure? Although the procedural questions will not come in your paper, the procedural questions will not be there in your paper. You don't need to write these steps. Okay, you don't need to write these steps over here. But definitions, the concepts, all these things will be asked in your paper. So you have to go through this text. Fine. Borders we can take now when we are inserting a frame. So frame set border will be there. You are going to define the thickness and the color of the border. So these are the options about which you may be asked in your MCQs. When you select a frame set, its properties are visible in the property inspector. You can change them as required. Borders specifies if borders will be visible. Yes, displays borders around frames. No, hides borders around the frames. Default allows the browser to determine how borders are displayed. Border width, border color, border raw color, raw column selection, all these options are there that you must know for the MCQs. What is meant by border in the frames? What are these values for yes or no? When default, what is the difference between these three options of the borders? Border width, how do you define the border width you must know. So these all options are important. Now come to the next point. Okay, now come towards the next point. The source, scroll, and these all are the options related to the frames that we must know. These options will be asked in your. Okay, source, scroll, resize, these all are the options that we need to know because these options will be asked in your MCQs. Up to here, if you have got any question, you can ask me. No one is asking any question, it means all the things are clear. What does it mean? All the things are clear? Okay, fine. Fine. So, borders, whether we need to apply the borders or not, this is the thing that we must understand. Border width, border color, raw column selection, all these options are there that we need to understand over here. Similarly, when you select a frame, you can view and change frame properties in the property inspector. Frame properties override frame set properties. Source, scroll, yes, no, default, auto, all these options are there. Source specifies the source document to display in the frame. Click the folder icon to browse to and select a file. Means where you are mentioning the source. Scroll specifies a scroll bar appears in the frame. If you will select yes or no, then scroll bars will be appeared accordingly. If yes, then it will appear, otherwise it will not appear. Fine. So I hope that this thing is clear. Now, Borders, colors, and margin width, margin height, all these definitions. Margin width specifies the width in pixels on the left and right margins. Margin height specifies the height in pixels of the top and bottom margins. These all options are there that we have applied. I hope that these things are clear. Linking to Word and Excel documents. This complete procedure I had explained you. Now these all options are very important over here. What is meant by text only? What is meant by text with structure, paragraph, list, tables, etc. Text with structure plus basic formatting, bold, italic. Text with structure plus full formatting, bold, italic, styles. Okay, all these options are very important. So we can insert the Excel file as well. Rollover image, image placeholder, image map, frame sets, all these can be asked in your. What is primary image in rollover? What is secondary image? We have already gone through all these options. I hope up to here all the things are clear. If you have got any question, you can ask me right now. Fine? Okay. Now come to the next point. That you have to do 15 MCQs and 5 short questions. 15 MCQs are more important because in MCQ you need to click the right answer. And of course, when you will click the right answer, then you will get the marks. In short question, you can write the answer in your own words. So this is very important for us. I think one lab activity was left that we will do inshallah in the next class whenever we will have. So this thing is also important that we have to go through this point as well. Okay,